If you're new to Medium and want to understand how it works, this video will guide you step by step. Medium is a platform where you can read, write, and share ideas with a global audience. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Medium from scratch so you can get started and make the most of it. First, go to the Medium website and create an account using your email, Google, or social media login. Once you're signed in, take a moment to set up your profile. Add a profile picture, write a short bio, and select topics you're interested in. This helps Medium personalize your feed. Now, let's explore the homepage. Here, you'll see articles based on your interests. You can scroll through and click on any story to read it. If you like an article, you can clap for it, highlight sections, or leave a comment. Next, to start writing, click on your profile icon and select Write a Story. This opens the editor where you can create your own content. Add a title, then start writing your article. Use simple formatting tools like headings, bold text, and images to make your post more engaging. Once your article is ready, click on Publish. Before publishing, you'll need to add tags. Choose relevant tags so your content reaches the right audience. After publishing, your article becomes visible to others on Medium. You can also follow other writers to see more of their content in your feed. The more you interact by reading, clapping, and following, the better your recommendations become. If you want to earn money, you can apply for the Medium Partner Program. This allows you to earn based on reader engagement with your stories. In this tutorial, we learned how to use Medium step by step by creating an account, exploring content, writing articles, publishing them, and engaging with the community. This makes it easy to get started and grow on the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.